Look at that huge hole. That's crazy. This thing just rusted right through. So the reason why I'm making this video is because I bought and installed the ECS Tuning Resonator Delete kit, which included high quality, quote-unquote, stainless steel brackets. And now a lot of people in the forums and the Facebook group seem to be also having issues with these brackets. And the good news is, it's easy to remove the old ones, even though they're rusted on, and install new ones.
So I think this is where my exhaust leak is coming from.
See it? Look at that huge hole. That's crazy. This thing just rusted right through.
You want to pull it down? That works. Oh, they have some give, I see. They're like rubber bands.
It's completely rusted.
Oh, sorry, I want to do that one time?
Alright, look at that.
Sure that way they put that on before, but it just wasn't stainless steel? So rusted like crazy?
Yeah. So, do you see an opening here?
No.
It's covered, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's give it a close.
Oh, shit.
Ready?
Yeah, I've been recording this whole time.
Man, this thing works good.
You done?
Yeah, look at it.
That's perfect.
Beautiful! Now I gotta do the other one.
What other one?
Yeah.
Oh, there is a second one. Are we gonna do the same thing?
Yeah, I have to.
Right over there. Good. That's hilarious.
Alright. That's one. It finally snapped. Wear eye protection and gloves.
Are you literally not doing that right now?
I'm wearing gloves
And eye protection?
and eye protection.
Your glasses don't really count.
Look, I'm not getting rust in my eye.
You're right. I'm over here covering.
I got glasses for you though if you need it.
Should also probably wear a mask so you don't accidentally inhale anything.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Because I was like, I feel like I just accidentally just breathed something in.
When I take this off, we're gonna start the car.
Start the car wire.
Yeah, just to get a little sound clip.
You're going to take this off now, you say?
Yeah, when I take the second one off, I'm gonna disconnect it and then start the car, see what it sounds like.
Before you put a new one back on?
Yeah.
You're fucking stupid. Alright, let's do it.
Who's the other one? I got one off. Now I need the other one. Perfect.
That was quick.
Just snapped, man. Sheet crap. Yes.
Alright, go! It's a sprinkler system down here.
Yeah, because the drain is here for the water. There's a drip hole here. So if it made its way all the way to the bottom here, then it would come out the bottom.
But it's not going to make its way all the way there if it's spinning up in the middle.
Yeah, maybe we readjust that one, but let's put this one back first.
Yeah, I definitely feel like the where fitting was originally there was much longer.
Yeah, you can see it was longer.
Yeah. That's alright. I was not recording, sorry.
What do you see?